AntiCovidNet is a foolproof end-to-end system that is capable to monitor real-time CCTV cameras in an area. It can monitor multiple CCTV cameras at once, as we can see in the system flow diagram. Multiple CCTV cameras send the frame along with the timestamp to the AntiCovidNet system, which can parallelly analyze the feeds and then send the violation images along with the timestamp and the violation rate to the cloud, which can be later accessed on the AntiCovidNet website. This website can send alerts to the concerned authorities and it can alert them for violation above a particular percentage. Now this is the beautiful dashboard of AntiCovidNet. Here we have provided authenticated access only, as we value data privacy and we understand that data leaking on internet is a serious affair. So the first try I've tried with a wrong password to see if it allows me to enter the AntiCovidNet dashboard. So for the second try I'll enter the right password and then here I am inside the AntiCovidNet dashboard. This is the first module where we have provided option for either RTSP link for the IP camera or the by default trigger which happens after the activate detector button. So as soon as we press the detector button, the by default video starts, and this is the analyzed video which we've kept as the by default trigger, and this product has been tested with the help of IP cameras in our nearby college, and this is the feed analysis which we have obtained after the real-time analysis which has been tried with the help of IP cameras. Now the second major module of AntiCovidNet is the mask detector. So the mask detector, we have provided two fields, either RTSP camera link or the by default trigger. The by default trigger works for webcam as well as images. So this is the sample output of an image. The third major module is the thermal camera analysis. This can be done at real time and we can also see a real-time graph. Due to the absence of a real-time thermal camera, we have provided a sample output image of the thermal camera, and this can be analyzed with tools to gather the output image temperature. Now this is the beautiful gallery which can show the violation images, and this can be segregated with the help of date and the violation percentage also. Now for the future scope, we have thought of implementing these many features including IoT and video chatbots. AntiCovidNet, we believe that we'll be able to make the national economy jump back to pace and thereby reducing the unemployment rates in the near future with the help of this product, which can be implemented anywhere easily. Thank you.